Good evening, guys, and welcome to the series 100 Days, 100 Tips, the beginner series for how to start your online business. Today is day 5, actually, it's evening 5, and I'm here with the tip number 5. I was supposed to do this video this morning, I actually did it, but I wasn't sure. It was looking too good. I wasn't too happy with it. I think it was very noisy outside. So I'm doing it again tonight, and hopefully it'll come out much better. It's about 10:30 at night. Kids are in bed, or think they're watching a movie, and the only one that is staying here with me that's Wilson, my cat. There's another 2 here around, but anyway, he's the one that keeps me company. Back to tip number 5. What I wanted to talk today was why sometimes people don't want to blog, or they think like blogging it's too difficult, or you're supposed to be a writer if you want to blog, and they get put off by the whole idea of blogging simply because you're just scared of doing it. You don't have to be a writer in order to blog. There's thousands of bloggers out there, including me, that are not writers. I'm not even, by now you probably realized it, a native English speaking person, but the fact that I don't speak English perfect, or I don't write English the perfect way, has never stopped me from pursuing my dream and wanting to become a blogger and make an income online. So how do you do that? How do you blog if you're not a writer? How do you find your ideas? Where do you find the inspiration? There's thousands of different ways. Use the internet. My tip for you today is, if you want to become a blogger and you're not a writer, don't let the fact that you don't know too much about the subject that you want to write, or you're not an expert about the subject that you want to write, don't let that turn you off from pursuing what you want to do. Use the internet as a platform to search for the information that you want to share with other people. Let's say, for example, one of my first blogs, it's actually there, For a Vegan World. I'm a vegan. So I enjoy eating healthy food. I enjoy a plant-based diet. Did I know enough about plant-based diet recipes or veganism to write articles and posts and create a blog? No, truth is I didn't. I just lived it. So what I did when it was time to create my blog, I went online, I searched, I did researches, I read books, I read other bloggers, the articles, what they were talking about, the products, the opinions, and that's how you create. You take your pen, you take your paper, take notes, and slowly you start to build your idea of what you want to talk about, your niche, and you start to write your own articles, and eventually, trust me, you're actually becoming an expert without knowing, because you've read so much that you'll be able to share with other people the knowledge that you have. I think sometimes what we do is we think we know less than other people, and it's true, but we also know much more than so many other people. So don't let the fact that you are not the perfect writer, or you are not an expert in that particular subject, put you off from begin to follow your dream. Another thing is, if you are in affiliate marketing, like that's my main blog at the moment. When I first started, I didn't know anything about affiliate marketing. I didn't even think I liked affiliate marketing. After I took the course with Wealthy Affiliate and learned everything they told me, and went through all the exercises, I slowly built actually a passion for it. And I really enjoy sharing all the knowledge that I have now, the little knowledge that I have about marketing or SEO or plugins or building a website or whatever can help you with the keywords. Every single thing that I know, I learned it through Wealthy Affiliate, and now I actually enjoy sharing it. But at the beginning, I didn't know anything. When I want to write a review about something, for example, on my blog, I usually go, for example, on ClickBank. ClickBank is a platform that gives you a lot of mostly digital products. A lot of them have to do with online marketing, but there's many other different niches. Some of them are good. There's a lot of crap as well. But what I do, I try to find, when I look for an idea or something to write, I go on ClickBank, find out if there is a new product. Once there is a new product, see how popular it is. Ideally, if I can, I like to get a product that is it's got a free trial or a very basic trial, or something that you can cancel after 15 days, because I actually believe that to write a review, you need to try the product yourself. You can't just read what other people wrote about it and rewrite it. Having your own experience is always much better. So I do that and try the product and do the review. And usually I go even read what other people thought about the same product. And slowly I build my own opinion. And I write a post just following this couple of steps, and search, read. Don't ever get tired of searching and finding out. And if you do that and you're committed to it and you have a passion for it, you can definitely achieve your success in online business. Being not native as an English speaker, what I do as well to help me write is I use an app which is free. There is a paid version of the app, and there is a free version. So if you want to try it, I'll leave the link down below for the free version. It's called Grammarly. Many of you probably know it already. Grammarly helps you to check your spelling. It tells me if I put the comma in the right place, the full stop. It suggests me sometimes to use a different word rather than the word I've used in a sentence. It reminds me if I use twice the same word. So it's like having a little teacher in the background helping me out in making the article, whatever I'm writing, more readable to the viewers. Are there mistakes? Sometimes I know I make mistakes. I know I don't speak perfect English, but I lived around English people at least half of my life now, and they all seem to understand me, so I hope I'm not gonna let that stop me from trying to pursue the dream of online marketing. So this is it. My tip for today was don't get discouraged if you want to blog and you're not a writer. You can blog. Use the internet, read, get informed, do researches, take notes, look what other people are doing, get inspired, and then write. Just write. The more you write, the better it becomes, the easier it becomes, the more easily it start to flow. Just the writing start to flow, and you will find out it is fun. It's actually really enjoyable. Don't ever doubt yourself. So this is it. For me today, I'll see you on day 6 with tip number 6. If you enjoy that, give me some thumbs up, please. And if you want to find out a bit more about my site, remember, visit learnwhileyouearn.com. If you want to find out more about Wealthy Affiliate, the platform where I've learned everything I know, I'll leave a link down below as well, and there'll be a little link in the description for Grammarly if you want to test the Grammarly by yourself, and if it can help you even for schools, for homeworks, for different things. It's really a useful app, and since it's free, it's okay to have it. Until the next time, have a good night. I would say have a lovely day, but have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao, ciao.